welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be doing roast chicken. Y'all, this chicken is gonna be so juicy and delicious. Why wait? Let's get started. Now guys, the ingredients are 1 chicken, half onion, garlic, thyme, butter, Scotch bonnet pepper, just a small amount, olive oil, scallion, half teaspoon coarse salt, half teaspoon total seasoning, 1 tablespoon chicken seasoning, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon paprika, quarter teaspoon black pepper, and parsley flakes. I will now use my food processor to make a rub for the chicken. Scallion, onion, garlic, thyme, and pepper. Here it is, guys. Perfect combination. So now I will go ahead and get the chicken. Now I will place my chicken on my cutting board. And use my knife to cut from the upper portion all the way down. There you got it, guys. Now I will combine my seasonings. First, let me add the salt. I always try to go light on my salt. I try to avoid cooking salty food. You can always adjust your salt. So now I will add my seasonings. Now I will add all this green seasonings. Now I will get the butter all the way up underneath the skin. This guy will be so juicy. So juicy. Just get as much butter as possible underneath. Now I will add some olive oil. I will now marinate, cover and marinate for an hour. I'm back, guys, so I will add just a small amount of olive oil to my pan. Not too much. I already preheat my oven for about 15 minutes. So now I will place the chicken down. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. So now I will add some parsley. So here we go, guys, straight to the oven. So now I will put the chicken on the middle rack. And we will check back in 30 minutes. So here we go, guys, looking beautiful, looking good. So this is 30 minutes time. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we continue to baste until it's done. Every 30 minutes is perfect. Use the same juice to get it done. All that green seasoning, just perfect. Everything is just perfect. Okay, guys, right back to the oven. Beautiful, guys. It's getting there slowly but surely. It's beautiful. You can also use a spoon to scoop up all this juice and just pour it all over. So here we go, guys. Beautifully done golden brown chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, like, share and subscribe.